Transform your raw footage into jaw-dropping, professional videos with this comprehensive Capcut editing masterclass. First, let's get organized. Import all your video clips and relevant media files directly into Capcut. Drag and drop them onto your timeline, laying out your raw footage in the order you envision your story unfolding. Now, the heart of storytelling: trimming and arranging. Select a clip on your timeline. Use the blade tool to cut out unwanted sections, and then drag and drop clips to perfect the pacing and flow of your narrative. Think about how each shot connects to the next. Let's add some visual flair with transitions. Navigate to the effects panel and explore the vast library of transitions. Drag and drop them between your clips to smooth out the cuts, and add a professional polish. Experiment with different styles to match your video's mood. It's time to enhance your audio. Select your audio track, adjust the volume levels for clarity, add background music from Capcut's library or your own imports, and even use the voice changer effects for creative sound design. Clear audio is crucial for viewer engagement. Now for the magic: advanced effects and overlays. Explore options like keyframing to animate elements, adding text overlays for titles and call to actions, and utilizing green screen effects for seamless background changes. These techniques elevate your content from amateur to astonishing. Color grading makes a huge difference. Go to the color correction tools, adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation to create a consistent and visually appealing look across all your clips. You can even apply pre-made filters to quickly achieve a specific aesthetic. Finally, the export. Once you're thrilled with your edit, it's time to share it. Click the export button, choose your desired resolution and frame rate, and then click export again. Your polished, professional video is ready to captivate your audience.